If you need to update the menu or develop new products, you can try our new Shilixiang Oolong, which is very suitable for everyone to upgrade and update the menu. This tea raw material is simply one of the first choices for new summer products. Next, I will teach you how to brew the bottom of the tea. Add tea leaves and boiling water into the measuring pot, then fully stir evenly, and then seal and brew for 10 minutes. After brewing, stir the tea leaves before filtering, then filter the tea leaves, add ice cubes and stir evenly for later use. Add ice cubes, strawberries, and our protagonist Shilixiang Oolong to the mixing pot. This Shilixiang Oolong has bursts of fruity flavor, and the overall sense of tea is also very full. The layering of the product is also very rich and full. It is suitable for making various fruit tea drinks, milk tea drinks and lemon tea drinks. Then add some milk cap and sprinkle dried strawberries to complete. If you want to know more about the latest raw material information in the industry, just pay attention to our Xiaoya students. Bye bye, we will see you next time.